Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of applying for a loan on SoFi, one of the leading online lenders offering fast approval. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the SoFi website. Open your preferred web browser and go to SoFi's official website at www.sofi.com. Once you're there, you'll find an overview of the loan products they offer, including personal loans, student loans, and home loans. Step 2. Select your loan type. Navigate to the Loans section and choose the type of loan you're interested in. SoFi offers personal loans, student loans, and mortgages, so make sure to select the option that fits your needs best. Step 3. Check your eligibility. Before applying, you can use the pre-qualification tool available on SoFi's website. By entering some basic information, you can find out if you qualify for a loan and see potential rates without affecting your credit score. Step 4. Create your account. If you decide to move forward, you'll need to create a SoFi account. Click on Get Started and fill in your email address and other required information. Verify your email address to proceed. Step 5. Complete the application. Once your account is set up, log in and complete the loan application. This will involve providing details such as your income, employment status, and other relevant financial information. Make sure to be accurate and honest, as this will influence your approval. Step 6. Submit required documents. After filling out your application, you may be asked to submit additional documentation like proof of income, tax returns, or bank statements. Ensure all documents are clear and legible to speed up the approval process. Step 7. Review your loan options. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a loan offer if approved. Review the interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees associated with the loan. If you're satisfied with the offer, you can proceed to accept the loan. Step 8. Sign the agreement. After accepting the loan, you will need to electronically sign the loan agreement. Make sure to read all the terms and conditions before signing. Step 9. Receive your funds. Once the agreement is signed, SoFi will process the funds. If everything is in order, you could receive your loan amount in as little as a few days. That's it. You've successfully applied for a loan on SoFi and hopefully received fast approval. Remember to manage your loan responsibly and stay within your budget. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.